Thomson 033, rolling runway 9 left.
Thank you.
Thomson 033, we'd like to stop at 3,000 feet. We took a big bird down the left engine.
Okay, Thomson's 033, maintain 3,000.
Maintain 3,000 and we'd like runway heading Thomson 033.
Thomson 033, you want to come back to Sanford to land, or you want to talk to Orlando approach?
Be Sanford to land Thomson 033.
Okay, Thomson 033, for now, contact Orlando departure, and he'll redirect you back in here. Contact Orlando 121.1.
121.1, Thomson 033. Sanford Tower, Thomson 033. Established ILS runway 9 left at 15 miles.
Thomson 033 Heavy, Sanford Tower, runway 9 left, clear to land, wind 090 at 8.
Clear to land, runway 9 left, Thomson 033. Set.
Thomson 033 Heavy, wind 110 at 8.
Thomson 033.
Thomson 033 Heavy, turn right at Bravo 4 and then contact ground 0.35.
Right, Bravo 4 and then 0.35, Thomson 033.